New tonight, MetroHealth is reporting its highest number of COVID hospitalizations ever, 136 today, and the hospital is seeing a record high in test positivity as well. That's near 40%. In fact, hospitalizations are growing across Northeast Ohio, with cases still on the rise. To find out why, Marissa Sines spoke with doctors tonight.
The winding journey of the COVID-19 pandemic continues to wind, with case numbers on the rise.
The hospitals are getting more and more full.
Unlike the other surges we've had in Northeast Ohio, this one never really came back down.
What is going on?
Sitting down with local doctors today who tell me hospitalizations are no better than before, some worse than a year ago.
We're definitely seeing higher numbers in all of our hospitals than we even saw last year when we reached that peak.
Not only, at Rainbow are we seeing the most kids with COVID that we've ever seen, we are also, seeing many, many adults as well.
Over 9,700 new COVID-19 cases were reported in Ohio in just the last 24 hours. The new Omicron variant was detected in Cleveland Monday, but cases seen in hospitals today.
It's Delta, Delta, Delta.
It's about 96.7% of all the cases being reported right now.
The state reports that more than 6.3 million Ohioans have been vaccinated. Breakthrough cases still a reality, but not at an alarming rate and aren't common, doctors say.
People are not necessarily breaking through the boosters unless they have a medical reason underlying it.
We have not seen people who've been boosted.
Cleveland Browns head coach Kevin Stefanski amongst those who are vaccinated with a booster shot, who caught the virus for a second time.
Is this common?
We're not seeing a lot of that, to be honest with you.
He's been exposed to COVID, obviously, from somebody, and he might not normally have gotten tested if he had not been in such an intense protocol. We may have people who are out there walking around with COVID, but not necessarily showing any symptoms.
Yeah, both doctors highlighted that. Remember, we are just off the heels of Thanksgiving, when many families were together, when there were many gatherings, and we are just 10 days away from Christmas and just over 2 weeks from New Year's, which is why they recommend boostering now, saying immunity is the best way to do this going into the holidays. One more thing, Russ, latest reports indicate that COVID-19 booster shots that already exist do protect against the Omicron variant as well.
That is good news. Okay, Marissa Sines in the newsroom. Thank you.